Come on, Lamb Chop. Come on. Good boy. Something, because he is just not coming. Come on. Good boy. Good job, man.
Go say hi to your brother. Ah, they're kissing each other. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Come on, you guys. Y'all are in somebody's grass.
Okay, let's go.
You could walk by over by the park, but
Yeah, no, the school's in. Yeah.
Perfect. Yes. No, not perfect.
Mm.
No, not perfect.
Where's
Not
Tangled?
good. Not good.
Come on, you guys.
Look, they're leaving us.
Good job, Chop. No, no, no. Come on. Walk this way.
Okay.
No, Chop. No, no, no. This is a good thing. Walking is a good thing.
Yeah, walking's fun.
You're like messing up.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Oh, oh. Come on, man. You can do it. There we go.
Walking's so much fun.
Oh, they're so stinking cute.
Oh no, look at that.
Come on, you guys. We gotta walk up the street and back. It's gonna take an hour.
Yeah, at the speed they're going, it's gonna take 2 hours.
No, no. Come on, man. No, Chopamungo.
What happened?
Make her go forward so he'll go forward.
Yes, ma'am.
There we go. If you see another dog, pick her up automatically. Oh, you're doing so good, Chopperoonie.
Oh, no.
What's she doing? She ain't doing nothing.
You think go around the...
Oh, the pole.
Yeah.